So Prithvish Finance has giving a new target. Actually, I was creating some other videos of equity too, which is a little bit still in stuck up with the target. So right now we are not talking about Apple Corporation or Meta. Meta is still going to perform very well in upcoming days, as Prithvish Finance promised that this will happen with 100% strategy. So when Prithvish Finance say 100% strategy, it mean it. Okay, 100% strategy means I'm not going to change it, but 100% it will work. That's our proud, or our pride say. We're proud on that equity Meta. Anyways, we are not a part of this equity or the company management. So Facebook means Meta. Anyways, so whatever alphabet in means Google. Alphabet in means Google. It is written in the Google itself. So in that case, we are predicting the current equity of Alphabet Inc. Class C it is written. Actually, I don't know how to drag it, the details. So, but as it is written, this is an American international technology conglomerates holding in the company of headquarter and Mountain View, California. Yes, it is there. Yeah, and the second largest technology company revenue after Apple. Okay, so they have written, so it is Google only. Google is not written, it's Google written. GOOG. So why we are telling, so we should not have that confusion. We are giving wrong equity details, something like that. Okay. So it is written, even Sundar Pichai is the CEO. So Sundar Pichai is the CEO of Google. So anyways, guys, we will say that Radhivesh Finance. What talking about it? Anyways, we are coming up with this equity. Say, anyone have their opinion in contrary against us, they can comment. We are invited influencer to comment on our YouTube channel that what Prithvish Finance say. Yes, many times people really some Indian, when we do Indian domestic market, the detail in the sense when we used to give the delivery of equity or the shareholding or their opinion about the market, everybody influences us, madam, whatever you are telling. So now in international market, nobody gives us importance, I guess, because international market, American market has really cool calm down. Probably we are not aware, but in Indian market we always get something else in response. So anyways, Google is not Google, it is written as Alphabet Inc. So if we see that Alphabet is basically performance we were expecting from Alphabet. How much this will perform? Anybody can guess. Anybody can guess what Google performance give it to you in this upcoming month. Suppose this this Alphabet Incorporation stock may show drastic downtrend. It can goes up to how much down? Anybody can guess it. So we were expecting it can goes up to even $140 or $136. And suppose by mistake it has gone up, then it can goes up to how much? In upcoming days till the December, we are giving Alphabet Incorporation target. So we were expecting somewhere around $200 per stock. So if it is not perform, we will not upload video for Alphabet Incorporation. And suppose it perform, we will upload another video as like Microsoft Equity. We have given the new video with the new target, but Alphabet probably $200. It may cross, it may not cross. Yes, it may cross. Probably it may cross $200 per stock. I guess it may. See, it's a pick of. If it is cross pick, will be cross anyways. So $200. Is it possible? Then let me know in per stock. Let me know into the comment box. 200 USD were expected from Alphabet's pick off till December. Even we have given quarterly target for Alphabet Incorporation. Inc. We will not say incorporation because they have already given that. Inc. INC. So in that case, what suppose it has goes down, it can touch up to $136. So Alphabet INC Class C, what is the performance expected? Any influencer can comment into the comment box, or anybody. I don't mind. I don't mind. So anyways, have a great day. Google may perform a very well uptrending, I guess. So have a great day. Happy Sunday. Bye bye.